Greetings, everyone! If you're a seasoned Android enthusiast, you've likely stumbled across the enigmatic developer options. These advanced settings are typically hidden from view, but can be easily unveiled if you know the steps. In today's guide, I'll walk you through 10 indispensable developer settings you should activate on your device immediately. Don't worry, in the description below I have time-stamped each section to make your viewing experience easier. Please stick around until the end for a comprehensive walkthrough. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. First things first, let me show you how to access the developer options on your device. If this feature hasn't been activated yet, navigate to Settings About Phone. Hit Software Information. Tap on the build number 7 times consecutively. Once completed, you'll unlock a hidden menu under Settings called Developer Options. Dive into this menu to explore a suite of advanced features. I'll spotlight the most beneficial ones for you, so stay tuned. By default, your device allows screen timeout settings of up to 10 minutes, meaning the display turns off after inactivity. For those who want their screen to stay perpetually active when plugged into a charger, head to Developer Options and enable Stay Awake. This feature ensures your device remains illuminated while charging. No more unlocking repeatedly. Activating the Mobile Data Always Active toggle ensures your mobile data seamlessly kicks in when your Wi-Fi connection weakens or disconnects. While this may slightly increase battery consumption, it guarantees uninterrupted connectivity, a boon for those who rely on consistent internet access. Ever wondered what apps silently drain your device's resources? Under Running Services, you can monitor every application and service operating in the background. Even after clearing apps from your Recent Apps menu, some persist, consuming precious RAM. This tool allows you to terminate unnecessary apps manually, freeing up memory and enhancing performance. Concerned about privacy? The Sensors Off toggle is a game changer. Once activated, it disables all sensors on your device, such as the camera, proximity sensor, and gyroscope. To enable this, go to Quick Settings Developer Tiles within Developer Options and activate the Sensors Off toggle. You'll now find this option in your Quick Settings menu, allowing you to disable sensors instantly for enhanced privacy. Many modern smartphones boast high refresh rate displays, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, or even higher. To monitor your device's refresh rate in real time, enable the Show Refresh Rate option in Developer Options. This feature displays the active refresh rate in the corner of your screen, especially useful for devices with adaptive refresh rates that dynamically adjust based on usage. Tired of being prompted to choose between charging and file transfer every time you connect your phone to a computer? Under USB default configuration, you can pre-select your preferred connection mode, whether it's file transfer, USB tethering, or simply charging. Set it once and streamline your workflow. Although most apps now support dark mode, some stubbornly remain in light mode. To enforce dark mode across all apps, activate the Force Dark Mode setting in Developer Options. This forces even unsupported apps to adopt a darker theme, providing a cohesive visual experience. Want your device to feel more responsive? Adjust the animation scale settings within Developer Options. Reduce all 3 scales, Window Animation, Transition Animation, and Animator Duration Scale, to 0.5x. This tweak reduces animation duration, making your phone feel snappier and more agile. At times, errant or misbehaving applications might attempt to execute unintended processes even when cached. By activating the Suspend Execution for Cached Apps function, such activities are effectively curtailed, leading to a significant decrease in power consumption. In certain instances, your mobile device may harbor applications that disrupt its ability to fully enter a state of profound restfulness. Although this phenomenon is uncommon, it is not entirely unheard of. The background check feature empowers you to swiftly identify such rogue applications that silently operate in the background, draining resources. With just a flick of a switch, you can put an end to their interference. If no culprits appear within this menu, rest assured that your system is functioning unencumbered. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.